Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom ringtone. So keep in mind you do have to have this song in your actual music app. You can't have it in SoundCloud, you have to actually buy the song. And you also need GarageBand. I believe it comes with the iPhone 6. I'm not sure. So when you get on, you're going to get this thing. I think you just click continue, but I'm not sure what it looks like anymore. So what you're going to do is once you're in the app, choose audio recorder. And there's this little thing that's being highlighted for you right now. Tap that, and then it'll bring you here. Then there's a little plus button right here in the corner. It's hard to see, and then it'll bring you right here, so click on section A and keep on tapping that, and once you see that it hits 20, just stop, then click done, and then click this little loop, click the loop, then click on music, and you can search for the song you want. So let's say I wanted to make clocks a ringtone. If you just tap on it, it'll just play it. If you hold on it, then you can drag it here, and then you can tap on it, resize it. Now you can resize it, move it, whatever. So you can just play with it and figure out what you want. And also, you'll notice that there was a metronome playing in mine. I don't really want that, so I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on the settings. And then click on song, counting, off, done. Now it'll all be... Yeah, okay. So I actually just wanted the beginning. Okay. So let's say I just wanted it here. You can also do this with text tones. You just do the same thing. You just go into your... Yeah, so once you get it, then you're going to see mine ends right here at 8. So I'm going to click on the little plus, section A. Now I'm going to put it at 8. Done. And I can see that I can go to 7 now. And once you get it to where it's all the way to the end, then that's when you click this little arrow at the top left, click My Songs, then it'll save, select the one you just made, then this little arrow that I'm holding down on, and then click Ringtones. You can also, and if it's not there, then click on More, and then it should be right here that you can turn it on. You can also move these around. I like mine at the top. It wasn't default that way, I had to move it. So you click on Ringtones, you can name it, so I'll just put it as Clocks, then click Export. Click OK. Now I'm going to show you that it worked. So you go into General, Sounds. This part will be sideways for you guys, I'm sorry. But ringtone, you can see that it's right here. Okay, so that's the other one I made. Now I'm going to go back to GarageBand, and let's say I didn't like that one, and I don't want to see it ever again. So what you're going to do is select any song, click the up arrow, export it as a ringtone, click Your Ringtones, edit, and then you can get rid of the one you want. Done. You don't even have to export the ringtone now. Now if I go back to it, as in my settings, then you will see that Clocks isn't here anymore. So I hope you have enjoyed. Goodbye.